Hi my friends. In this video I'm showing step by step on how to check Bluetooth in your computer on Windows 10. Okay. Before I start, please like, subscribe, and even click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any new videos on this channel. So how to check Bluetooth in your computer on Windows 10. Move down here at the start. Right-click on it. Select to open the device manager. Here if you see this icon of Bluetooth, that means it's there and it's working. If you don't find this icon, it means your PC or laptop does not have Bluetooth. So that's how you can quickly find out. Thanks for watching. We meet in the next video. Have a nice time.